Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Okay, this video is regarding all the Zontes 310cc models. Quite a lot of you out there now. Actually many thousands of riders of the 310cc models from 2019 and above. So you probably want to change front brake pads. You can do it yourself. It's a nice easy guide. I always, after removal of the pad pin shaft, I always clean it up and just put some bearing grease on it to make the pad slide across easier. The pads are already available from the Zontes dealer, or you can buy aftermarket EBS brake pads. The reason why you take the top off the brake fluid chamber is because you have to push the pad calipers, the actual pistons, back in, so you can put the new, like this is showing you here, you have to push them back in, otherwise you won't be able to put your new pads in there because they've been wider. So as soon as you've pushed the actual pistons back in, the two pistons, if you could take the caliper off and clean the pistons yourself if you want to as well. With brake disc cleaner spray, comes in a spray can. You can use the toothbrush on them and spray them again afterwards. It'll clean the actual pistons up for you. It's just a case of slotting the actual pads back into position onto the locking hinges at the top, and then putting the pad pin back in like it's just done there. And then you've got a nut on top. So just keep the pad pin there. And that's it, job's a good one. Please like, subscribe, join our journey. Plenty of videos to look at. Over 1,500 videos now in English, French, Spanish, Arabic, and Chinese. Subtitles, tatty bye for now.